Have you ever seen a cat with soft, curly fur like a teddy bear? The Selkirk Rex breed originated in the United States in the 1980s. It was discovered as a natural genetic mutation. Selkirk Rex cats have thick, curly fur. Their coat feels soft and plush. They have a round face and sturdy body. Their whiskers are often curly too. Selkirk Rex cats are calm and gentle. They enjoy relaxing with their owners. This breed is affectionate and social. They adapt well to home life. Would you like to have this curly teddy bear cat?